In a world where dreams often fade with age, one man chose a different path, a path of relentless passion, perseverance and purpose. Meet Dr. Muhammad Iqbal, a name that is now synonymous with the spirit of lifelong learning. In 2004, Dr. Iqbal achieved what many consider the pinnacle of academic success. He completed his first PhD in chemistry. But for Dr. Iqbal, this was just the beginning. Driven by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, he dared to dream even bigger. In 2024, at the age of 78, Dr. Muhammad Iqbal made history once again, earning his second PhD, this time in soil science from the prestigious Department of Soil Science at Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan, Pakistan. Age was never a barrier. It was a badge of honor, a testament to his resilience and devotion to education. On April 24, 2025, in the Grand 19th Convocation of Bahauddin Zakariya University, Dr. Muhammad Iqbal proudly walked across the stage once again, a living legend, receiving his second doctorate before an audience who were clapping in awe and admiration.
Muhammad Iqbal, he has done already PhD in chemistry and today he is receiving another PhD in soil science.
Learning has no age limit. As long as you breathe, you can dream. And as long as you dream, you can achieve. Dr. Muhammad Iqbal's story reminds us, it's never too late to chase your passions, to break barriers and to redefine what is possible. Dream big. Never stop learning. Inspire generations.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it and found it motivational, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with more inspiring content designed to uplift and encourage you. Stay blessed, and see you in the next video.